Hi, this video will walk you through how to manage your team members and your learners. When you are logged in and within your institution settings, go to People and Manage Team. There are a number of tabs here. View Team Members. Here is where you can view team members of your portal, their email, their role, their ID, courses, groups, and last active. There are bulk actions here, such as assign to courses, remove from courses, change institution role, add to groups, and remove from institution. I'll explain the roles in further detail. Institution administrator is the person who can access all the institution settings. The course creator cannot access institution settings, but is allowed to create courses within the institution. Educator cannot access institution settings, but can be assigned to courses in the institution. If I scroll down to the bottom of this page, you will see pending team members. This is where team members have been invited to the institution, but they don't have an OpenLearning account, or they are yet to verify their OpenLearning account. There are also bulk actions here, where you can, for example, resend the email invitation to the team members. Then the next tab is Add Team Members. Here is where you can add team members by email and click Add to List, or you can add team members via CSV upload. There is a downloadable format template. Please pause this video and add your team members. Well done on adding your team members. The next tab is Recently Added Team Members. Team members will appear here that have been successfully added to the institution so that you can easily view them and assign to courses if you haven't already done so in the previous step. The next tab is Recently Assigned Courses. Here is where team members will appear and the courses they've recently been assigned to. Next is Managing Learners. This can be done via People, Manage Learners. There are a number of tabs here. View Learners. Here is where you can view the learners within your institution, email, their ID, enrolled courses, groups, last active, and reset their password by sending them an email. There's bulk actions here, such as enroll in courses, remove from courses, add to groups, and remove from institution. If I scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see pending learners. In this section, you have the option to bulk actions and resend an email invite. Those that appear here don't have an account on OpenLearning, or they have an OpenLearning account, but they're yet to verify it on OpenLearning. Next is Add Learners. Here is where you can add learners by email and click Add to List, or you can add learners via a CSV upload. There's a downloadable format template. Please pause this video and add your learners if this is appropriate for your enrolment flow. Your enrolment flow for your course might be via an integration or public class enrolment via the course landing page. So this might not be applicable. If your course class setup is, for example, private, manual enrolment, this would be appropriate. Welcome back. Next is enroll learners to courses. You can use this method if there is a requirement to add learners in bulk, but for different courses and classes. If you scroll down, you can see recently added learners. Here is where you can view and assign to courses for those that have been recently added. Recently assigned courses. Here is where you can view the courses that learners have been recently assigned to. Next is people groups. Here is where you can add a group to organise your members. Thank you. Please visit our help page and the institution portals category to find step-by-step guides on adding team members and learners. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via live chat, phone, or email. Thank you.